gems, and welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems. So it's been close to 2 years since I've put any heat on my hair. I suffered from postpartum shedding after I had my daughter, and I've just been trying to just stray away from adding any heat. So in this video, you'll see me shampooing my hair, dyeing it, and just styling it just to get it back to a healthier state. It's still not at 100%, but I'm going to be on a hair journey just trying to restore my hair and get it back where it needs to be. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way you never miss a new upload from me. And for all of my returning gems, welcome back. So yeah, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, leave plenty of comments down below, and enjoy the video. So some of the products that I use to accomplish this is just the Demi-Permanent hair dye, and this is in N1, and then I'm going to use the 10 volume developer for that. I have my little whisk and an applicator brush. You'll also need some shower caps and some gloves so you don't get dye on your hands. Then I have 2 combs. Then I have this magic detangler. I love this thing. So you'll just need like one of these detanglers, a paddle brush, and then I'm using Care products. This is my all-time favorite for whenever I straighten my hair. So I just have the cleansing cream, and then I have the Humecto conditioner, and then I have some Design Essentials botanical oils just to give my hair a little bit of sheen. You can get some edge tamer if you need to just slick your edges. I have a water bottle here just to dampen my hair. My hot tools is this comparable flat iron to Chi, but I will have a tutorial coming up for a company I'm partnered with just to give y'all a good discount on a nice flat iron. And then I also have my hair dryer and a hot comb. And this is for all my natural babies. If y'all just need a little bit of extra help adding that heat to your hair, you can. And for the clips, I went ahead and purchased this hair. This is just some Indie Remy hair. It is processed. So this is it. It's 100% virgin Remy, so it is processed. You can just kind of tell how it has the strands there. So yeah. But it's a decent bundle, and I have it decent bundle size, and I have this in a 12-inch. So I went ahead and put clips on these, and I just did a 1-pack. I bought 2 packs, but I did clips on these, so it's gonna be very good just to have on a regular when I'm out and about. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this tutorial. Oh, and I forgot your foam wrap. You will need some foam wrap, and I'll use my Care foam wrap. Absolutely love it. As you can tell, I need to get some more. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Back. So just to save on time, I decided to go ahead and shampoo my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and detangle it, and whenever I'm looking crazy, y'all, but whenever you are adding a Demi-Permanent color to your hair, you want to do it on clean hair. I can't talk. And it's generally because whenever I used to do this, I always used to have like a relaxer. So I would go ahead and relax my hair, shampoo it, apply the color, and then condition. So I just stick with that whole system. So I still went ahead and shampooed my hair just to cleanse it. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the dye to my hair, and I'm going to let it sit just to penetrate my hair shaft. And then I'm going to go ahead and condition. So yeah, I went ahead and have everything just mixing up here. So what you'll need is your hair dye, which I use the Wella, and it's just in the black. So, and then I also use the 10 volume developer. So these two work together to deposit the black to your hair. So yeah, what I love about black dye is that it does conceal a lot of your imperfections in your hair. So if it is damaged like mine is, you can rest assured knowing that once you press it out, it's going to look a lot more healthier. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to straighten my hair, and then once we have it fully straightened, we're gonna go ahead and cut it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So yeah, y'all, this is the finished and completed product of my hair. So I just went ahead and colored it, trimmed it to the best of my abilities, y'all, and straightened it. And it is a little bit of a hassle because I'm natural now. So before I did have a relaxer and it was so much easier, but I have to do thin sections to really get at the roots. And then also another thing, I suffer from static. And as you can tell, like, I have very fine hair strands. So putting a lot of oil and serum on my hair is gonna weigh it down, which will kind of defeat the purpose of having it nice and bouncy. But yeah, this is how it looks once it's fully straight ironed and back in an almost healthy state. I'm not at 100% healthy, but y'all leave comments down below letting me know your thoughts on how it turned out. Definitely, if you have any advice or tips, let me know, because I am definitely open. But yeah, that's how the ends are looking here. So yeah, and I'll turn around so you can see the back. I don't even know how it looks in the back, if it looks crazy or not, but I just wanted to give y'all a raw and uncut version of how it looks. But with the static, you can kind of see it starting to frizz. But I am doing another video where I'm going to be adding some clips in just to make it look more fuller. So I think that'll look a lot better. But yeah, I have all of the information for the products and stuff used in the description box below. And until next time, I will see you gems in my next video. Bye.